What is community-based learning at the University of Richmond? Community-based learning is a class in biology or leadership studies or English or psychology or that connects students to the greater Richmond community and beyond for experiential learning. Community-based learning creates connections by bringing community partners into the classroom and sending students out to shadow and observe. Students in community-based learning classes are producing documentaries and performances, and providing direct service through mentoring, tutoring, and translating. Sometimes they learn by teaching school children or incarcerated persons. Some groups of students analyze data and conduct research for community partners. Others travel together on study and service trips. Community-based learning courses help students learn more about the subject, about themselves, and about the community.
I felt a tremendous sense of responsibility undertaking this project for an actual organization. We needed to be accountable for this data and get it right.
The community-based portion of the class is intriguing. I learned more about the city of Richmond in this class than in any other I've taken.
I think community-based learning brings a larger context to literature, culture, and history, and to the effects they have on each other.
It provided a richer, real-world context for interpretation of the literature discussed in class.
Community-based learning courses afford students the chance to challenge preconceptions.
Every time I go to the respite center, I talk to the patients and learn from them. My perception of the homeless is changing.
Community-based learning is much more than substituting an experience assignment for a more traditional assignment. Community-based learning courses integrate classroom and community elements with the help of an experienced professor.
The most meaningful thing I can do as a teacher is to get my students to care enough about a topic to challenge their old assumptions and seek answers to questions they pose themselves. Not because I ask them to, but because they are curious about the world around them.
By using our resources for the community, we can start to see an impact on the community. With community-based learning, the University of Richmond connects to its neighbors, making us a university not just of Richmond, but for Richmond.